Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting an Instagram page now. Open the app and sign into the account you'll use. Once signed in, tap your profile icon. Make it professional by switching to a creator or business account in Settings. This unlocks insights and contact buttons. Use a clear profile photo and a concise bio that states who you are and what you offer. Add a contact email or phone so followers can reach you. These first choices shape discovery and credibility, so choose them deliberately. Now build the page structure. Set a business category and enable action buttons like email or call so people can act quickly. Once done, plan a 9-post grid to create a strong first impression. Use consistent colors, fonts, and voice so new visitors immediately recognize your brand. Create story highlights for evergreen info and pin up to 3 posts to keep priority content visible. These elements work together to convert casual visitors into followers and customers, so organize them logically. Finish by launching and promoting. Enable insights and set up a first small promotion to test targeting. Choose interests, location, and age. Once active, publish stories and engage with the first 50 comments to boost reach. Make sure captions include a call to action. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Clear the app cache, log out and back in, verify your account type, and reconnect linked Facebook if used. If problems persist, contact Instagram support and provide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.